I thought that I could certainly make a contribution. I felt that having been part of the university now for it's probably been around 10 years, that I had a good handle on the nature of being part of a university and what that's like for people and how to develop a career and that sort of thing. Also, I think what I bring to the role that I think is valuable is the fact that I've worked outside the university. I've worked as part of other organisations, and that gives you an appreciation of the ways in which other organisations kind of do their business in kind of an organisational sense. So, yeah, I think that I bring that to the role. Because I've worked in industry doing industrial R&D, that's something that that I can also bring to this role as well. To in particular, sort of that kind of connecting with industry and sort of seeing real world results from research. I'm kind of passionate about, and I've had some involvement with in the past, just sort of while I was principal researcher, was the career framework that the staff all exist within here. So that's something that I'm kind of keen to sort of like add some more things into. So we have an annual review, performance review process, and I can see some ways in which that could be improved to make it a more effective process for people in kind of developing their careers on a sort of an annual basis, on an annual planning basis. Yeah. Well, Robinson is a great research institute. There's a lot of things that going on here that the institute has an international reputation for. We have a very great team environment, supportive. It's not just sort of a one-on-one relationship that you have with your supervisor, although that is a great relationship to have, and there's lots of great supervisors here. When you come to Robinson, you are very much part of the whole institute and part of all of the things that are going on. So you could be working on a team where that's a large team delivering one of the larger programs, or you could be working on one of the more new and emerging areas where we're actually sort of trying to develop and build research in an area. So yeah, we're all. I think I'm correct in saying that all of the supervisors here are highly motivated to help you with your journey through to from when you start your PhD through to that point where you've submitted that thesis and been examined and got the result that you want, and then can actually start the rest of your career.